Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, or why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah? And as you see, I can never tell.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
This is the name of the people that bought the textbook.
Just these names?
Yes, ma'am.
That's fine. You go back to them. Tell them that those people that their names are written here, they've passed my course. Okay, and for those that their names are not here, they have carryover already. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Everything about this school is just money. I'm tired. I know it's that school. You don't get money, don't take coffee at school. Because it's not for us now.
And the other thing is that they say that if we do not buy the textbook, that we are going to get carryover.
Carryover.
So you guys need to fast and worry about the textbook.
Also, yes, dear. That's the name of the people that bought this Eghe textbook. And your name was not in my list, so
from Nigeria,
carry over, brother. I know that one. I used to be. Now you are the lecturer again. What's up now?
Yes, they never the textbook.
I don't tired.
Why here? They said I'll be again.
Guess what?
What?
Eghe being adult.
Really?
Yes.
Wow!
Hold on your back. Or we read a scholarship in me throughout my days in the university.
Timata! Wow! I'm happy for you, darling! Congratulations!
Yeah, every on your back. We can up and you guys take care of one.
What was taking care of one? What do you have to take care of? What do we hear? We make him a guardian.
We may be arguing maybe. Who if I'm arguing that? Who is at home one in the Muslim? See now we do plan your marriage.
Well, that was okay. Problem you anyway, this call for a big
the hell we are cat.
All right.
God might have happened to you. You got me scared.
My baby, you have to run for my dear life. As far as we were sitting here, and I got low. Well, with the mirror. So, yeah, I miss you too. So, what about your class yesterday?
It was fine.
Okay. How many times they warn you to stay away from my girlfriend? My girl, like a friend, even know. Okay.
Don't get my so, baby, as I was saying,
okay. Wait one.
Babe, what about your classes?
So you don't go chop wish.
You don't reach now.
You want to chop wish? You go to chop moon wish. Okay.
Next target. You'll see him for this campus. Promo room. Okay. Show. You'll feel him.
Okay. Don't go chop wish, Abi.
100 show. The next target.
I'm proud. Now me can't be Eghe, but now I am called Eghe one mama. See, I won't kill the papa. My name is Eghe one mama. The dress, the what is there?
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy yourself.
Come on, you baby.
I'm done with you. I'm done with you. Good afternoon, sir. I called the sinner as soon as I saw the embrace sinners. I was beyond.
Maybe even the manager, understand? Not be say old man just to get like that, not small pension level when you still get if you see shares some kind of things for the house.
But this will not be managed. And I just say why you know now compared to over 50.
Hey boy. But you like a room in the
What? You may like it. That's heaven on earth. You want me a room in the car? But we find out about a chair room. Maybe I know you're born or fail of your born. Lalo Dick with the walk by.
I swear,
My brother.
No, but here you are my blood, eh? EJ, where are you? You are my blood. You understand? So, you don't really home when you want to.
Eghe, my brother.
From today, anybody I know, I will be around you. I'm happy. Okay.
Yeah, but you mean when you marry me, I will go to nobody. You son of a yeah.
Alright, EJ didn't have it.
Imam, how are you? My brother.
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah?
Kako! Papa, if I did write exam, you don't say you get matter to run by this time. But, if I don't write this thing now, I want to ask that guy Fashi. No lecturer for this school will fail. You dey mad? You know they hear our name for this town. See, guy, you get matter to run now, you need to move. I don't want to lose my course. Waiting they worry you now. You don't want me your ring it to me lad. You don't want me people hear your name. Eghe one mama, a big name. You understand? Guy move Fashi. I understand. Your first assignment, you need to confirm it now. You don't want me your ring it to me lad.
Capone, guy.
I don't understand. Fashi that one, you see Capone. How far? You mad dad. Forget that. The blood.
Why the fighting, why the killing?
Allah, please don't kill me.
Rugged you. Rono. It's sweet. Move on. Please don't kill me. Please. Finish up. Please. Take. Finish. Please. Finish up. Put it come fast. Put it come. Yeah. Finish up. Do it. Off the lights. Please. Put it. Fast. Please don't kill me, please. Don't come. Please.
Why the fighting, why the killing, yeah? What is it, why the hating, yeah? Why the shooting, why the beefing, yeah? And as you see, I can never tell. Why the killing, why the shooting? I want my mom. Why the killing, why the fighting? Oh, I want my mom. Why the killing, why the hating? Oh, I got my mama. Why the kicking, why the beefing? Oh, I got my mama.
All is not well, officer. This is becoming a day-to-day reoccurrence. Students now find it difficult to come to school. Even with the lecturers, the VC no longer sleep. We sleep with one eye open, one eye closed. The last time your people came here, they said they would do something about it. Yet, nothing was done. Please, you have to do something this time. It's okay. It's all right. Please, you have to do something this time.
Thank you.
Sir.
Take the disease to the car.
Yes, sir.
Take it to the visit office. This way, please.
Eghe, what are we doing here?
My dear, let's just enjoy ourselves. Ijaki tormenting him, you want to enjoy the man. You want to enjoy the man, you tormenting him, tormenting him.
Thank you for letting me.
Yeah. Right now, take him away.
My brother.
Boy.
Afa.
Yeah.
But what did you work for?
Assignment. This is what we saw.
I'm not well.
How you do?
I may I want then away. Even if Baba any man in my yard. We might there me go.
Okay, need to go body ni ma. But already ni matter guy.
Guy.
Na guy.
We are my t-shirt.
Na your one, na your. Where you had the look money, huh? Ja. I look for my brother there. I'm very meji. I'm not a close type.
Baba na no where you go ni ere ni ma ya we shop you we time Baba.
Yeah. Baba mami ya. Where? Baba head ma do me like mo me agba se ti je so pa je wo pan mo ki man understand. I mean we e beg we dele ni o yi na akate e ya fun wa ba ni wo yi 50,000 there wo pa kan. I dey fear you. My brother, you go ni awa aro ari awa ya run things. Awa we won bi e we ya fe. Man suppose no money for hand.
When my say Baba only ma we are look good. That's to the public.
You need to look good so that when we say key then once through like here we go na afa but you know je we boria awe from Kinowa State so that the grace men we cover we what just the dress they enjoy
we mouth we look good mama it's a shame
afa
ije le ra enu gi are ra na so you get bad day
listen
my area for
I dey come I mean okay
Omo you
If I don't
what you want to support the club with me
oh Baba Arsenal me working for life oh He betray Arsenal or Gayakin
okay Baba no mo yi fear no see a club in my no your way
yeah no dey support Arsenal when I support Arsenal at your home Manchester United the best of the world
Baba why Baba
Eba no matter what you want here do me support or you support normal human being when you understand ball na Arsenal as a wiggy corners for life
Arsenal Madrid wa you wa we abuwa boy yake
Madrid ibiaka
again wa here Madrid buwa you man said my group gbe ni ya gbe
Arsenal all why number 1 I be see you
e ba United yi
wo mo nu ba ni ya emu nana
ija wa
ni ale mo e Madrid e team mo e cup na
Everybody the cool. Hey, mege, udege support Arsenal, say we support Arsenal.
Arsenal
Man United dey the best club.
Mana why the Gunners?
Up Gunners! Hey! Wait for that, fly Emirates.
My nigga.
Give the color.
Gunners or
United. Madrid. Why you happen now?
Yeah. We call. I'm going to Hanua. Where Arsenal? Where Manchester United?
Chigwa.
Now what do you like?
Oh, who left it? Left it. I get my day.
Baba we na turn na. Ya wa time, na turn na. Application move ni the club wa. You gbe le we je share copy. Don't the Arsenal we are the Arsenal but no share copy again.
Baba ma le we me ga le we.
Okay, ma be da mo.
Oh you want? Normally Montiwe. You understand? When you get what time because of this weather, but you're talking more enter school. You understand? Yeah, go work. We never worry this Arsenal team in a woman like
Gunners for life.
You understand? I want to anybody I can really man I mean my back party me hands down.
Arsenal
So as you yours this so know say this cooperation dey oppression dey many things dey sup for this school, and for you to defeat that kind of oppression, quick no run things. Open am up, understand. What are you wear to defeat some kind of oppression?
My head can go. Marina, my understand. Let's open up now.
I just want me to join my confraternity, more the package.
Okay. Cut it way.
Forget only what it be cut it way. You very well time me we want big deal. Now you're normal group of people when they don't need oppression. So you'll be now.
Well, normal group of people. Cut it is the cut it. How will you believe, man?
How are you only wearing a believe, man? That one you not find trouble, you go find her. Now just to defend yourself, no oppression. That's so you'll be make you deal with me more than the package this level.
Salute, that is set.
What?
No, I'm here school to study now. I'm here to better my life. Hey, don't take my cut here. How do you see me long? Oh, okay. Hey, cut is working.
Well, relax me, you join more gather package this level.
Are you here, my brother? Yes.
More you may go when I move to me.
Why the fighting? Why the killing? Yeah. What is it?
I want package you make.
Why the shooting? Why the beating? Yeah.
You did where I be.
And as you say, I can never tell.
What do you want to say? I say me you deal with me, move the package together. What can problem me with?
Hey, show me how you do the package. With the package now, not be package with the do so.
Package as how I don't understand. See me you can't join my contract, move the two together. Move just be brother finish. Understand?
Your power. Not fit join court. I mean, I can't join court. Me, I can't school for learning. It will be by court.
You court, not they call it court. This thing a union, I just normal club issue. You understand? Not be court.
Court na court.
Na business.
Na lie. Court na court. I don't fit join this one. I don't fit join this one.
Amoye, you know what? You not try. You not try at all. You dey fuck up. Upon the good things wey my guy don't do for you. He don't try for you. He don't package you normally. But now that you dey fuck up.
I pick you from the gutter, you know. Now from gutter I pick you, I wash you up, I do many things. I do many things for you. Even waiting my father, not for you even do for me, they do one for you. See how you complain now, see how you take position.
Don't see the way they shine.
You understand? You want for the betray me like say tomorrow not day. Time for you to pay me back with good. Now you can't pay me back with evil.
Simple thing.
Okay. I appreciate everything when you do. All the good things when you do, I really appreciate. And I go pay you back in time to come, but to come join court, no, nah. I love you join court to pay you back, bros. No, this is how you talk, Baba.
Moyi.
Okay, what is the song? Man, this guy.
Moyi.
You know, see what's in the yarn. He said court not be better. This guy is crazy.
Leave on. And my brother, I will still talk to them. You know, some of those people when they push me by road. Get the way they hide me.
Babe, a project in Inime, Summit Tivana. A lecturer, eh? I will not sense in your at all. May they understand? Oh, I saw you sorry. Babe. 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 You don't understand. Also, eh? You might look happy. You are not fine. Maybe you are man who that will go here. Eh? But for now, you are not happy. Where go here?
So I tell you, are you going?
So sorry. You go to Canada. The supplement, you have to pay it. Then you may hear and no foul. You may no lira ra origin gene. The supplement, here we or no see comment around. You know ballo. You just have to take it, my dear. I'm so sorry. You just have to take it. My love, you have to be a man. You have to stand for yourself. Okay? Please, only say, no woman. If you're married, you know, just take it, please. Okay? Be happy. I go. The face you were not with me, but only a smile. At least I'm here for you. Guess what? Yeah. A result in a semester. It was lovely. Yeah, I did well.
I'm very happy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, I don't know what happened. There's some carryover in my course, as in, I don't understand why.
What is it? Because here, woman not see a big cabo here now.
That's why
That's
I'm
not
very
possible.
confused. I don't even know what confusing me away now.
Wow, this is bad news.
And besides that, we remain some missing scripts.
Really? Your mona bamoko. Ah, you can oje. Please, make sure you write the names of those students paying for my textbooks. Okay, you understand? Yes, write it very well. Okay, you may go.
Good day, ma'am.
Yes, how may I help you?
My name is Omori. Okay. I'm sure I did well in your exam. I'm shocked I failed it, ma'am.
You wrote my course?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, maybe you failed already.
It can't be possible, ma'am.
And you know what that means. That's a carryover for you.
Ma'am, please, I demand to see the answer booklet.
Will you keep quiet, my friend? You have to wait for next session to rewrite your exam.
Ma'am, please, isn't there something you can do?
There is nothing I can do.
Please,
Mr. Man, get out.
Please, ma.
Out!
Ma, there's something you can do, ma. Ma, check. There might be something you can do, ma.
If you like, just dey waste your time. If you like, just dey waste your time, go dey meet lecturer and all.
Eghe, don't tell me you have a hand in this. Let's have my own boy, you know, Sununa.
Say I can't. Now lay hand. Omoyi, my leg join.
No.
Omoyi, my leg, follow. I go put my hand, I will put my leg. You understand? See, if you don't use your head, you don't get sense. You don't think twice. That's why your paper will only disappear. Hey, come on.
Eghe!
Your paper will only disappear.
Normally. Eghe, you are being wicked, Eghe! Eghe! Eghe!
Since you entered this school, we never record your thing.
But anything concerning school, concerning tea, I don't understand. Traveling school and tea.
Alpha, collect those books from me.
Give me those notes. These are my personal property. I don't feel give you.
Ow! Ah! Sure you don't understand, Nabi? Your man don't do like that. He don't play it for you now.
Babe, what's going on? What? Shit. Babe.
You want to go to here? You want to go to here? Okay, Omoyi.
Eghe! One more you want it. Someone you live in.
What's your uncle? We might go. Hey, if we were via you, one, Edo State, my beg, Edo State, oh, Sunu, or Cuba, what a man of Sunu. Amoyi. Again, wait now. You what you will pa. You okay, what you go where? What you go? What? Oh, you look back. What can we put him man? You not the apple, you rock back. You know, what you Ma rock back soon. Okay, you. Hey, I know now. What the apple? You not back. You look back. Okay, you do have your own koi. Okay, it's good to happen that time. How could you move on?
So, we were passed through having Nosayaba. You didn't even bother to tell me.
Babe, Matthew, you are bother. Tell me, I think what I have done. Now, what we do spread the rain.
This is serious, I swear. Fine, yeah. If not soon, first thing tomorrow morning, in my railway station, the Maya reporting case. Hey, a life you matters a lot to me. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please.
Are you sure it will work?
Of course.
There will be police in Abidjan. It's not a cause more problem.
No. Hi, babe, believe me, it will work.
Who is that?
Manuel.
Eghe, what do you want?
Peace talk, how are you?
What do you want, Eghe?
Peace talk, you know.
Why the killing, why the fighting?